swear. Here, if one of those things sparks on my arm again like that, then I swear I'm doing.
That's neat. Oh, shit, right on my car.
No, right in the tree. What have we got here? Firecrackers? What have we got left?
If you would care to,
We got a price tag!
if you want to shoot any of this stuff off,
Nothing illegal. I'm not shooting off the illegal stuff. You guys can't. I'll catch it on video. That's how it works. You're gonna just sit here on the fire hydrant, even though it's a bit painful. It's less painful to get sparks on your arm. Oh well, I've had the hair on my arms burnt off before. Wasn't fun, but it didn't hurt. Well, that was lame. Yo, what do we got next?
Puffing all the fireworks.
I'm not.
Puffing all the fireworks.
Why don't we go ahead and do the big stuff?
talk to Zach and sell music.
Hey, Zach. Why not go ahead and go do the big stuff?
Well, you go do the big stuff.